Alright, today I'm gonna bring you on a journey for the new Siren Test. It is quite heavily snowing, and we gotta make our way all the way to the Sirens. I just got up and yeah, let's get ready. Alright, we're almost there. Just a little bit up there, and in about 5 minutes we'll have the video rolling again. Alright, so apparently my watch decided it was a good day to sort of die, and so it was 5 minutes behind. I guess I have to change my batteries. Thing is, at 13:30 exactly, the sirens went off, and I was just, walking up here from there to get the video recorded, and it went off. All right. I mean, it's gonna go off again in a few minutes, and I'm gonna try and catch that. Alright, and this was 2022's Siren Test in Switzerland. For more information, well, read the comments. There's a lot of experts out there, and let's see. And also check out the video description. I always try and include all kind of information that I get from you guys. And well, till next year, thank you for watching, and see you.